Well, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video, but during the build process, my video didn't work. So, unfortunately, a lot of video was lost. I wasn't able to update you guys with anything good. But I can show you my overall progress of what was done. So if anyone's been known to watch my channel, they know what this is. It's a 1927 T-bucket custom build 351 Windsor 1977 with a high-rise intake manifold, 650 4-barrel Holly, and I've done a lot of work to this thing. And well, I think where you guys last remember is when I stuck my front center lines on. So I can show you what that looks like. Those are my center lines. That's what I've been wanting. I actually want the ones that are steel because they're really nice, shiny, and chrome to match the back ones. But I really love these old style rims. So the next thing that I did is I wanted to see my radiator and all that good stuff installed. So that's what I did. I had video of it, but it disappeared. So I mounted my headlight brackets. They're headlight brackets plus shock strut brackets, but that's not what it's going to be used for. I'm going to put my horns out from the frame, draped over top of my leaf spring, and then that's where I'm going to connect my shock mounts. So as you can tell, I did a pretty decent job. I got to modify a fake radiator cap because my radiator cap's behind it. But this is what she's looking like. Did a real good job chroming this up. I mean, she's nice and shiny in there. Sometime I'll show what I used. But it was a combination of 320 grit sandpaper, and then I used 400 grit, and I can't think of the name of the chemical, but I rubbed it on, and then I used an actual car buffer from the 90s and polished that right out. That's what it looks like. Now, I haven't done the other side yet. They did a real good job on the radiator cover. Did a real good job there. And well, now I lied. I actually got this to the stage of 320 grit. I didn't polish it out yet, but it did an awesome job up here on my scoop. And well, did a little bit of primering on the body. Wanted to see it one color. And these are the fenders I'm looking at using. These are fiberglass. And well, fiberglass body kit, fiberglass fenders. No biggie. So you can see my apron. This is not what I want to use, but I want to get some aprons and running boards. And I'm going to modify it to where it goes under the body. And there's going to be a notch taken out, probably like right about here, for my header pipe to run down. And then I want to extend my collection pipes out the rear. And they're going to come right about here and poke out the side with a chrome surrounding. And that's what she's going to look like. And then I'm going to have a set of really fat, wide fenders come across the back. And there's other things that I'm going to attempt, but I'll save it as a surprise of how I'm going to do this area here as far as roof, the back end. But I say that's one hell of a start. And you got to check this guy out. This guy here, he's a lifesaver. Did an awesome job. Right on the money. If anyone knows me or has watched my videos, you'll know how much trouble I've had to obtain this guy. But this bracket right here, perfect fit. I could not have asked for better. This guy and his son had made this, and it's probably because of my motor, my setup, and it's just loosely mocked up. So I know it's direct fit, because I'm planning on taking this back off and I'm going to sand all this, blast it, and then I'm going to paint my motor, paint everything a certain color. The alternator is just temporary, but the only slight issue I had was this bolt right here that came with it was just slightly too short. I would like to see more threads back here into my head. But as far as I'm concerned, I mean, that's a hell of a job. I mean, look at that. That thing is right lined up, no problems, no issues. Down midway of the motor, tucked away behind the radiator, just the way I like it. Not sticking all the way out here and getting in front of my wires and my valve covers. So you ever want a real good mid-level, low-profiled alternator bracket, I'll put the link down in the description, and you go look him up, because you'll actually see my motor on his advertisement. So if I had the information on hand, I would show it to you in the video, but I will screen shoot that in there so you know how to get your really badass bracket. The guy is awesome to deal with. I will never go to anyone else. Unlike the other brand. Good chrome to an extent, but that thing was nowhere near close. That thing had too much tension on it in between the bolts, and it would not line up for anything. This is just sitting on there, you know, trying to pitch another idea. I mean, I paid $80 for this thing. I'm not here. Well, he ain't promoting me, so I could talk trash about it. It's a piece of shit. Okay? It's nothing but a piece of shit. Good try. But I tried to talk to him about it. He refused to contact me. This guy is who you want to deal with. This guy right here. Awesome. He'll answer any questions that you have. And I mean, look at that thing. It's freaking awesome. One piece. 3 bolts, smack on, real easy. He even puts in a set of instructions, which I did not need. It was all self-explanatory. This garbage, that was a joke. I'll never buy that again, or buy from him ever again. So, looks like an eBay knockoff. I wasn't happy with it from the beginning, but this, as soon as I seen it, very well packaged, fast delivery, spot on, awesome. I hope I didn't get good. I thought I accidentally got a little overspray on that. But I'll never deal with that joker again. This guy right here, he's awesome. I'll deal with him any time of the day. You won't regret buying from him. That man stands behind this product. This joker, I contacted him 4 months ago, and he has yet even tried to talk to me. So forget him. I'll never deal with him ever again. But this is another guy did an awesome job. I have to put the links to that in the description. Love that look. Nice, organized, protected in there. It is beautiful. It makes the wires look great. You know, I love that look. So, hope you enjoyed my videos. Let me know what you think. And guys, for crying out loud, hit the subscribe and hit the like button. I mean, I could do this a lot faster if I didn't take these videos. If you guys ain't worrying about me getting a little bit of likes to help make me a little bit of revenue, well, then I'm not going to worry about showing off my projects. I'm just going to show progress from then on. So, keep it real, keep your head up, stay positive, keep moving every day. You'll be glad you did. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.